Hi friends, my name is Joseph George from Hammer Knock. We at Hammer Knock manufacture impact press, toggle press, spin riveting machine, orbital riveting machine, rack and pinion presses, precision link conveyors, assembly automation combined with indexing units. I bought impact press applications in various and different industries like automobile, stationery, cookware, electrical, electronics, hardware, luggage, leather, pharma, ornaments and defense. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates. Watch the video till end. I will be demonstrating the riveting operations on various components. As the name suggests, impact press gives hammering effect or a hammer's knock. The force of this hammering effect is used for different applications such as riveting, brass terminal riveting, hole punching, eyelet pressing, bulb holder riveting, rosin fitting. Impact presses are made in two models, 1 ton and 3.5 ton, and operated in two different modes. There is hand operated and pneumatic operated. Here I am going to demonstrate about 1 ton impact press hand operated. Impact press works on the principle of converting a kinetic energy into a potential energy. This is achieved by tensioning the spring of one side of the spring by pressing it against the spring and pushing the lever down till you receive a hammering effect. You can see, you can put any job, whatever job you want to put it here, and you can give the hammering effect. So today I am going to demonstrate of riveting application of two plates joined by a aluminum rivet. These are the two plates. We will be joining this by a aluminum rivet. Now this aluminum rivet, the diameter of this rivet, diameter of rivet is 3.9 mm, 3.8, 3.9 mm. Now we are going to place this rivet on the holder and we are going to increase the pressure. Now the pressure, we have applied low pressure and we can see the dimension changes. It is 4.1, 4.09. Now we are increasing the pressure on this. And again pressing it. Now we can see the diameter. It is 4.6. It is 4.6. Now we will again increase the pressure. Now it is 5.2, 5.2. In this way you can join the sheets. So these two sheets has been joined by a single rivet. Now we can again increase the pressure. Now the diameter is 6.03. We have started from 3.2 and now it is 6.03. Exactly the same as the head. So this is one of the applications for riveting. I will show you one more rivet with the full load. With the full load, the last load which we applied, we are applying it once more. In single stroke, the same rivet has become 4.5. 4.5 in single stroke. Previously the rivet diameter was 3.86. Now in one stroke it has become 4.52. So thus this type of applications where two sheets are joined by single rivet, it can be joined by single rivet, or you can use a semi hollow rivet where there will be a hole on the rivet and you can use a punch. The bottom punch can be used for forming. So friends, this is the riveting application what we have done on this machine. Now I will show you one more application of marking. With the same press we will be doing the marking application. Same machine can be used for marking application. Marking like this. Marking application. We will be keeping the plate here. You can see the punches hammer knob. Now in this you can increase the depth by increasing the load. Now if you can see the difference, this is much more deeper and much more legible than this. So in this way, this same press can be used for multi-operation. The same press can be used for multi-operation and multi-operation. I am going to show the application of pressing rosans. This is the rosan, which is widely used in panels for mounting PCBs, electronic panels, electrical panels. This is a M4 rosan, which is widely used in panels. Now I am showing the application of how to insert it. See, the rosan should be selected as per the sheet thickness of this sheet thicknesses. If it is 1 mm, you should select the 1 mm sheet thickness rosan. Now we are keeping the rosan at this point, pressing it. Now you can see the surface is completely, the periphery. If you see the periphery, the complete periphery has been joined by the knurling part. The main principle of rosan is that this knurling, the knurling which we are seeing here, this should go inside the surface and it should flush the surface. You can keep the rosan here. Now see this. This is how a rosan fitting can be done with the same machine. Rosan fitting, stud fitting. After fitting the rosan, you can check it with the screw. You can see the torque applied. It will not rotate. I hope that you have understood the applications of impact presses in various fields. In case if you need to know more about your applications with impact press, you can send us the samples on the below mentioned address or WhatsApp me on 9322484848. Alternatively, mail us on sales@hammerknock.com. In my next video, we will be coming up with toggle press and its applications. Thank you very much.